Have you ever posted a TikTok and wondered why it performed the way it did? Understanding TikTok analytics is one of the fastest ways to grow your account in 2025. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what the numbers mean and how you can use them to improve your content. The first thing to know is which metrics matter most. Watch time and average watch percentage are king. TikTok rewards videos that keep viewers watching until the end, or even looping the content. The longer people watch, the more likely your video is to reach the For You page. Likes, comments, and shares are important, but retention often has a bigger impact on distribution. Next, pay attention to traffic sources. Analytics show you where your viewers are discovering your videos, whether it's from the For You page, personal profiles, hashtags, or sounds. Knowing this helps you optimize your content. For example, if most traffic comes from hashtags, you'll want to focus on using relevant and trending ones. Follower insights are another key feature. TikTok tells you when your audience is most active, their locations, and even demographics like age and gender. Posting when your audience is online increases early engagement, which signals the algorithm to push your videos further. Analytics also show which videos drive follower growth. Look at which content consistently attracts new followers and consider creating more videos in that style. It could be motivational clips, tutorials, storytelling, faceless content, or niche topics. Repeating what works is the fastest way to grow. Finally, don't forget engagement metrics. Comments, shares, and saves indicate that viewers find your content valuable. Videos with higher engagement are more likely to go viral, so think of ways to encourage interactions, like asking questions, using polls, or adding call to action captions. If this breakdown of TikTok analytics helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips for growing on TikTok in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.